So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
And Katie has to sneeze. You have allergies today.
You got sick.
No, I've got a cold. I'm just gonna stick this up here.
There's no days off in Katy Perry land.
Never has there been a day off.
Awful.
You
Awful.
think that you guys are just
Just
gonna
awful.
lounge when you make it? Forget about it.
Oh no.
Sing Firework with that in there.
She's suffering from.
Baby, you're a firework.
Und wenn du
Auch, ich habe noch nie auf Kommando. Nee. Das ist ja wie ein Corona-Test machen. Jetzt ist es weggegangen. Meine Rekorde. Oh Mann.
Und wenn du
Auch, ich habe noch nie auf Kommando. Ich hab sie gesehen.
Bist du sonst eher? Kommst du zum Höhepunkt, ne?
Mann, ey. Rubbel ja schon die ganze Zeit. Ah. Ja, aber ich war richtig offen. Oh Mann, ich bin out, Digga. Krass, dass es bei dir so läuft.
Krass.
Als würde ich mich selbst befriedigen. Ja. Mach weiter.
Du?
Ich mache meine Augen zu, glaube ich.
Ja, Hammer.
Top.
Bis zum nächsten Mal.
Fireworks. 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 Fireworks.
Weird sneeze check. People always tell me that I have like the weirdest sneeze. Let's see if I can catch it on camera. On tape. Do people still say on tape? Damn it! Why? Why?
We're gonna see if we can sneeze with our eyes open. Should I go first? You want to go first?
You go ahead.
I used to do this all the time. I would stick my finger.
You would do this all the time?
Yeah, I would stick my finger, like when I was really congested as a kid, I would stick my finger so far up and like tickle and like make myself sneeze to try to like decongest myself.
Why does that not surprise me that you did that? Okay. I feel like you blinked.
No, I did not. Let me do it again.
That was one of the funniest things I've ever seen in my
Ready?
life. I feel like you did it.
I
That
did
was
it.
pretty good. Oh. Oh no. It's terrible. I hate it. I hate
It's
it
like the
so. It went away. Damn it. Okay.
Again.
Why isn't it triggering me?
The way that it's so deep in there and it's still not sneezing.
I have a tear. Okay.
Right? I straight up put.
I have. That was completely unsuccessful.
Go. Look at the light.
I need to sneeze. I need to sneeze horribly. I've had to sneeze for hours. It won't come out. I'm sitting here huffing pepper because I need to sneeze. I want to sneeze. I need to sneeze. Please. This usually works. Nothing. What the fuck? I wanna sneeze. Oh my god.
It's coming. Be patient. Don't look at the light. No, don't. It stops your sneeze. It's the total opposite. A light makes you sneeze. I'm gonna sniff a little on the other side.
I'm like almost there every time.
You are?
And give up. Don't give up.
I'm not. Don't be going away. Here it comes, guys. You ready?
Oh yeah. Not anymore. It's already an hour.
It's coming. It's coming. I kept from opening that. You think I did? Okay, your turn.
Let's rewatch it.
Take it. Eat it. Good. Like
That's pretty good.
that, maybe you don't sneeze again.
I can do it the same time.
I think you did yours open. I think you did yours open. Get going. Get it going.
Julie's the best though.
Let's go.
Have you seen the cinnamon videos?
It's a spice. It's pepper.
I'm really scared. Okay, I just don't want to die.
Come on. You're not gonna die. You have to swallow it,
People
though.
die from cinnamon?
You have to swallow it. Show us your teeth. Is it hot? You have to swallow all of it. You did it.
Oh my god, I just almost died. But you guys ever sneeze and like it's so good that it's better than any, I'm trying to think of a way to word this where I won't get like flagged. Organism. It's better than any organism that you've ever had in your life? Or is that just me? After saying that out loud, it's sadder than I meant it, but it was a good damn sneeze.
Alright, shout out to all the Patreon members!
Does anybody else get goosebumps when you sneeze? Let me show you.
If you want access to more exclusive content,
I can't make myself sneeze.
then you need to join our Patreon community.
Why isn't this working? It's just making my nose run.
Ugh. Please do so. Follow us on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram.
Can you even see the... You can't even see the goosebumps. Okay, just take my word for it.
And you have to keep your eyes open.
Keep your eyes open. You got this.